As we know, the worst thing that can happen to a person is a good landlord or a good boss, because that prevents you from moving forward.
Where can I make more money? Special ed or interior design? The real answer is, whichever career you're the most passionate about, that's where you will succeed most.
When someone chooses the career that he really belongs in, he ends up transforming into that position. He becomes an IT. His head thinks as a programmer.
Even though, creative side of me was always there, I was pushing it aside, thinking, well, it's there, I'm good at it, but I don't know if that's gonna be a life profession.
There's an issue I see with young Galat starting out in their jobs that is not connected to their skill set. That job lacks potential, and ultimately down the line, the job is not going to be able to support him anymore, but he is going to be stuck in it.
The point is not to fool yourself. The point is to see really, are you made for it or not? If you're made for it, you're going to succeed. Don't be scared. Try to see what you are made for.
What I can say that I learned, as much as I was trying to teach them how to design for the outside world, I was discovering things that are done differently in Orthodox Jewish world.
A relative of mine shared with me how for years he felt a passion towards computer programming, software development. He was a koiling man and would spend hours in kiosks learning HTML, CSS, trying to work on web pages, only to find out that he has the option to have a school guide him in the process.
Our mission is to give people that want to educate themselves a full education with an amazing experience.
To help young Galat not be scared.
We're looking for sheer passion and to develop that into their chosen career.
And you could do it through a Heimish environment.
In an affordable, in a convenient, and in an Ausgehaltene way.
ICA is here now and they offer those courses and they should utilize them if those are professions what they want to be.
With the help of professionals, create a quiz, and based on that, you could get a better understanding which course to take.
The saying goes, if you do something you love, you don't work a day in your life.
We are here to give you a full education with an enjoyable experience.
Don't let your talent go to waste. ICA will guide you through the process and take you to the finish line.